(2015-290) State of Arkansas versus Jeremy Ray. This is the date down for pretrial. Mr. Ray's case is set for trial starting the week of February 8th.
Your Honor, I'm taking over this case, and being new to the case, I'm probably going to need a little additional time. However, in light of my client's current incarceration, ADC, if we could have him brought over this afternoon, I'd like the opportunity to meet with Mr. Etheridge and see if we can reach a resolution.
Very well. I'll direct that Mr. Ray will be brought over to the court. 2015-380 State of Arkansas versus Jacob Alden. We had a scheduling order entered in this case that had Mr. Alden set down for trial it's been interlineated to have it set down for trial the week of February 8th. But is there an actual motion pending?
Your Honor, I think Judge McCorkindale entered an order.
Yeah, we will address that at the first break so that can be addressed with the clerk.
All right. I mean, that needs to be in the case file. All right, I'm showing that the evaluation is pending. All right, Mr. Allen, you may be excused. There's a petition for evaluation pending in your case.
Yeah, I understand that, Your Honor. I was wanting to know if I'm eligible for a bond reduction at this time.
Not at this point, no, sir.
What if I want to
With
put
that
in a
pending
plea?
evaluation.
What if I'd like to put in a plea on this case today, sir?
Well, you need to discuss that with your attorney.
Does that mean I'm going to get to see him later?
Your Honor, I will go down and see Mr. Alden, but with the psych eval pending, then I don't think that the court can take any action on a plea at this time.
I'll be over this afternoon for district court anyway, sir. I don't know if that...
I'll see you then.
All right, thank you.
The court's going to, at this point, will call 2015-364, State of Arkansas versus Barbara Bridges. All right, I see. Ms. Bridges, you're before the court today because on December 3rd, after an initial arrest date of I believe November 19th on these charges, you did not appear for your first appearance on December 3rd, and an alias warrant was issued at that time. My understanding is you were picked up today, is that correct?
Yes, sir. I tried to. I got pulled over on my way to.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you were picked up today?
Yes.
All right. All right. This is for to check on attorney status, and I think for arraignment, because I don't see on either of the orders that are in this file that there's been an arraignment on the original charges, which are forgery in the second degree, a Class C felony, and theft of property, a Class A misdemeanor. Have you been in touch with an attorney?
I got a letter saying that Andrew Bailey would be appointed.
Was being appointed to represent you?
Yes, sir.
So you applied to the public defender's office?
Yes, sir.
Now, there's two cases, and that was on the first case, 2015-331-3.
Your Honor, that's correct. She has applied and we have been appointed, and she's correct that Mr. Bailey represents her on 2015-331-3. She has not filled out an application on the other case.
This is a separate case from the one that you got that letter about. So you have applied for the service of the public defenders in case 2015-331, This case is a separate charge, in this case, you're charged with forgery in the second degree and theft of property. On those charges, how do you plead?
Not guilty.
Okay. What I'm advising you to do is get a copy of the application for the public defender's office and make your application. If you've already, Mr. Bailey's already been appointed, the court will appoint the public defender's office to represent you on this case as well. What I'm going to do is put this matter down for reappearance. Are the other charges similar in nature?
They are, Your Honor.
Well, it makes sense to me. I'm going to put it down for reappearance in front of Judge Putman on January 21st, and the court is transferring this matter to the Division III docket.
Was there an alias issued for her for not appearing on the latter charge? Is that what's got her in jail today?
I think so.
That's correct, Your Honor.
It's an alias warrant shall issue. That was from December 3rd when she failed to appear for arraignment. And apparently she was picked up on it today.
Thank you.
All right. So you'll need to make those arrangements at this time. All right?
Oh.
You may be excused. Your next appearance in court will be January 21st.